Hi guys, welcome back to Step by Step PowerPoint. Let's see the rest of our tutorial about how to make urban diagram. Let's see together.
Our street needs people, so by Yandex.com I download my favorite characters and put in the right position and right size due to their proportion to the buildings. You can choose your favorite characters and put them in the positions that suits your favor. Adding animation, that's an important step in this videos. So in this one step, I want to add animation to our diagram. If you go to the selection panes in a tab home, select selection panes, you see lots of layers that is related to our backgrounds, crosswalk, buildings, cars, trees, personage that we downloaded and put them in our urban diagram. In selection pane, you see all layers. Maybe it seems confusing to add animation to all these layers. So we can change by selecting in any layers. You see what is this, and you can change these names to the name that you want, or maybe we want to put the number to any layers that you have. The best way is when you draw each layer, add the animation that in the same time. Now see this video and learn how to add animations. Two important points for adding animation are, the first one is enter animation in the order they are to be played. For example, if you want to play the background first, choose the background and then selecting, for example, it's a rectangle, this one. First, add animation to this. Then add animation to your cross. Layer by layer, add animations. The next one is pay attention to the start with previous. For example, I want to choose these rectangles. I want to add animation. For example, I use these animations for that. Go to the animation pane here. And the next one is our cross. I'll choose this animation and change the direction of this from top. And then I put the animation in start after previous. Pay attention to this point. Each of this item can be selected, and adding animation depends on your presentation. So let's see our video. As you see, we made our urban diagram with buildings, cars, trees, motorcycles, or crosswalk and intersections. So you can do it and change your crosswalk to the straight or other diagram that you want. Now let's see what's happened after adding animations.
Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.